Okuranira no kucungura eby'obuhangwa nk'enyanja, emigyera n'ebibira niyo huriro etandikireho okurabira omu beegi abeebembezi n'abantu ba buriijo omu nkora emanyirwe nka patriotism.
Our people currently, when you look around our wetlands here, they have turned into business hubs for people to set up washing bays, to plant crops in the wetlands and use as dumping sites for all sorts of things. So as leaders, I want to call upon you to be more proactive rather than reactive in seeing that our people understand the need to protect our environment.
No kwinegeza enkora ey'abantu kukunda ensi yabo. Abantu kukunda ensi yabo kukoze nkimanyisa ebintu bingi kimwari byo no kureba ngu bagirwanirira hato bareba ngu nayo yatunguka yaba nk'ensi ezindi.
Ebyona tubishanjire mu nterane ningashi kampusi ibiri ez'amashomero 10 ga siniya ezimazire sabiti yona ahari Kariro Technical Institute na St. Gonzaga SS Lyantonde.
To Uganda to promote its well-being, to engage in gainful work for the good of that citizen, to contribute to the well-being of the community where the citizen lives.
Bito gisiro kulina eby'obuhangwa abashomesibwe mu kiwe na rukundo obwegese entunguka okweyinda no kulinda ihanga n'ebindi bingi.
Organization, I'm so happy. I've learned to be patriotic to my country, as in loving myself and my neighbors and also the country.
Nyeto mutahi yanje bireta ryaha baferirwe kihango ahabo kuba omwana ulyokwe otari hishomero ndafunire chance nka yanje.
Abarukumemero Vera na Kasasiro buri hamwe nabo barabwirwe. Gasha kwa Sandeke William.